Find or read reviews that people are talking about SMILOVII 21V Cordless Weed Whacker Lawn Edger. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Massive 4-in-1 kit. 15 cutting attachments included. Stop buying expensive replacements. We provide a complete garden solution right out of the box. This kit includes 6x dual-line string heads for soft grass, 4 pieces 8-inch flat metal blades for thick weeds, and 3 pieces 7-inch circular saw blades for pruning branches. Plus, you get 2 pieces exclusive 3-head wire brushes to powerfully scrub moss, dirt, and rust from patios. A cleaning function standard trimmers can't match. 850 watt peak power and 24,000 RPM no-load speed. Don't let tall grass slow you down. The robust motor delivers 850 watt peak power and reaches a max no-load speed of 24,000 RPM. It intelligently adapts to the task, maintaining high velocity for trimming grass and delivering high torque for sawing branches. Note: actual cutting speed varies by load and material hardness. Side guide wheel for precise edging. Achieve professional landscape lines without the arm strain. Unlike standard trimmers that rely on manual stability, our upgraded 90 degrees rotating head features a dedicated edging guide wheel. Simply roll the wheel along sidewalks or driveways to create perfectly straight edges while preventing the blade from scalping your lawn or hitting hard surfaces. 2 batteries with LCD percentage display. Never guess how much power is left. Unlike competitors with vague indicator lights, our 21V 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries feature a clear LCD digital display showing the exact remaining power percentage, 0 to 100%. The pack provides a total runtime of 40 to 60 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes per battery, ensuring you can manage your work time efficiently. Foldable shaft for compact storage. Save space in your garage. The lightweight aluminum shaft features a 180 degrees folding hinge, allowing you to collapse the tool to half its size for easy transport in car trunks. With a total fixed length of 54.7 inches or 139 cm, it offers extended reach to access hard-to-reach corners safely. The ergonomic D-handle and double switch safety system ensure comfortable and secure operation. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.